Good afternoon. One day away from our next member giveaway. And we're excited to have on board Stained Glass News. They're going to be part of the big wheel of prizes. We will finalize our list of members by noon of August 15th. And if your lucky number comes up, you win. First prize would be the Down East Christmas stained glass pattern book. And then on the second spin, we're going to give away a year subscription to Stained Glass News. So if you're not a member, get in before noon tomorrow, because that's when we're going to spin the wheel. And hopefully, I hope you win. And then, it doesn't end there. We're going to, within a week or two, I'd say by the end of August, we're going to have even bigger and better prizes. I mean, this tomorrow, August 15th, is going to be really nice. With the book, it's the first edition, first copy off the print, and it will be signed by me. And the stained glass pattern member, Vicky, she's the, I believe she's the chief editor. I could be wrong. My apologies if you're not Vicky. But I mean, I'm sure you are. You've been with them for how many years? I mean, you do all the stuff. You're in charge. But she offered up the year subscription. It's, I believe, 5 copies. I really don't know. I think it maybe 6. I don't know. But it's a really good deal. And that'll be for the second spin of the big wheel. Hope to see you tomorrow. And again, good luck to all the winners. Oh, and if you haven't joined, head on over to the main channel, anywhere, and hit that, even below this video. Hit the join button. It's right down here somewhere. I can't see it, I'm recording, but it's, if you look down, it'll say join. Okay, and if you join before noon on August 15th, you'll be in the list, okay? At that, I'm going to say goodbye with this video and wish everybody good luck. We'll see you tomorrow. It will be live as well. Take care.